Some Marx Brothers movies that resuscitated, but
yeah, it was funny. That Carrot Top. Have you seen that guy? Comes up in his night shirt. Big mop of red hair. Very
oh
good.
my gosh! The obituary. Do we have the paper?
Oh yeah, we want to look at that.
Oh yeah. Let me go. I'll go get the paper.
No, don't you bother. I've got your car. No, where is it? I have unlimited mileage. I can drive anywhere.
No, he knows what he's doing. It's right around the corner. Sure, he will. Give some pleasure to use the rental car.
So everybody's wondering how I did this. I took a strobe light keychain, and I don't know if you can notice the chip. Cost about $5 on eBay. It's one of those little strobe keychains that you push together, and you know, you get the light, dim, or strobe effect off of them. And you just simply wire it, connect all the wires to it. It's fairly simple if you know anything about wiring, and you can have a cheap $5 strobe effect instead of buying the more expensive $60 strobe sets that are out there on eBay or whatever else. You get a pretty nice effect, as you can see.
No, we just yesterday, we talked about Aunt Louise and the mini bar.
And yeah, that's how I did it, man. I'm not gonna spend $60 on a strobe machine when you can just do your own. Hope this helps everybody.
Sorry, today's our birthday. I'll be right back.